As anticipation builds for Apple's iPhone 17 lineup, which includes the iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, Flipkart has flipped the script by offering massive discounts on the outgoing iPhone 16 Pro series during its GOAT sale event. If you've been eyeing a premium Apple device but don't want to wait or pay for the latest gen release, now might be the perfect time to grab a flagship deal without flagship prices. Moneybag iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max massive price drops. In a rare price cut from Apple's premium stable, Flipkart is offering the following. Label iPhone 16 Pro Max, Indian Rupee 109,900 down from Indian Rupee 129,900. Label iPhone 16 Pro, Indian Rupee 154,900 down from Indian Rupee 164,900. Credit card extra 4,000 Indian rupees off for buyers using a Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. This means you can own a high-end iPhone with pro-level performance, while saving over 20,000 Indian rupees. Considering the expected price hike for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, this could be your best opportunity to enter Apple's premium ecosystem in 2025. Mobile phone performance that's still ahead of its time. While new models often grab headlines, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max still offer some of the most advanced smartphone hardware Apple has ever shipped. Here's a quick reminder of what you're getting. Black square button OLED Super Retina XDR display. 6.3-inch on the Pro. 6.9-inch on the Pro Max. Rocket Apple A18 chipset paired with 8GB RAM. Card file box 128GB base storage, ideal for media, apps, and everyday use. Camera with flash triple rear camera setup. 48MP main. 48MP ultra-wide. 12MP telephoto for zoom shots. Selfie 12MP front camera with excellent portrait and video quality. Battery 3,582 mAh in the Pro. 4,685 mAh in the Pro Max. High voltage 25W wireless fast charging. Artist palette premium finishes in titanium white, titanium desert, and titanium black. Thinking face, should you buy now or wait for iPhone 17? Let's weigh it out. White heavy checkmark, why buying now makes sense. You're getting a premium iPhone at a rare discount. Performance, camera, and display still compete with top 2025 flagships. iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to debut at a higher price point. If design changes aren't a priority, this is a smarter financial choice. Prohibited, why you might want to wait. iPhone 17 Pro may bring major design and camera updates. There could be new features exclusive to iOS 19 integration. If resale value matters, newer devices tend to hold pricing longer. If you're seeking performance, prestige, and real savings, the Flipkart GOAT sale makes the iPhone 16 Pro series one of the smartest buys of mid-2025. While the iPhone 17 models will undoubtedly raise the bar, their premium pricing may not be worth it for users who simply want great hardware that lasts.